A judge found a Baltimore police officer not guilty today in the case of Freddie Gray. Gray was severely injured last year while in police custody. His death led to rioting. Edward Nero is the second of 6 officers to stand trial, the first trial to reach a verdict. Chip Reid is in Baltimore.
Officer Edward Nero arrived at court today facing the possibility of years behind bars, and when the verdicts of not guilty on all counts were read by Judge Barry Williams, Nero burst into tears. Nero, in yellow in this cell phone video of Freddie Gray's arrest, was not charged with his death. The most serious charges were assault and failing to buckle Gray's seatbelt in the police van, where he sustained a fatal spinal cord injury. The judge rejected the state's claim of recklessness and negligence, saying there has been no information presented at this trial that the defendant intended for any crime to happen. In a statement, Nero's attorney said his client is elated that this nightmare is over. He also accused state's attorney Marilyn Mosby of rushing to charge him and completely disregarding the facts last May when she charged Nero and 5 other officers before the violent protests had even ended.
To the people of Baltimore and the demonstrators across America, I heard your call for no justice, no peace.
2 of the 6 officers have now gone to trial with no convictions. The first ended in a mistrial. Mosby's office, which is under a gag order, did not respond to our request for a comment. But Billy Murphy, attorney for Freddie Gray's family, said the case against the other officers, especially those charged directly in Gray's death, is far from over.
In this case does not define the other cases. In no way. And Judge Williams was very careful to distinguish this officer's lack of culpability from many of the other officers.
The entire Baltimore Police Department was ordered to report to work today, and dozens of other officers were brought in from neighboring jurisdictions just in case there was violence. But Nora, there were only a few dozen protesters, and they were peaceful.
All right, Chip Reid, thank you.